Hey everybody, and welcome to another Fitness Tech Friday. It is me, Brian, and I am excited to be here again. So today we're going to be talking about widgets, and mainly it's going to be the three main widgets that I'm using to just kind of keep me on track and just motivate me to stay on track. Widgets came with iOS 14, if you didn't know, and they are amazing. You know, Widgetsmith blew up like crazy. That developer's awesome. He's made so many apps throughout the years, and I've used them all. I do use Widgetsmith as well for a few things, but not really fitness, health related. But we will be talking about the widgets I am using just to keep me on track. And then after that, then I'll go through the process of, how I've done this week. I am starting a Telegram group, so I'll put that link down below. That way we can join in there as well. But definitely let me know, any widgets that you guys love, feel free to comment down below because I want to know them all. So yeah, let's get started and let's go through these widgets. As you can see, I have three main widgets. I use the small one. I kind of like the small one. It gives you more room for icons and that kind of stuff. But if you take a look, right now is during my eating time. I'm not fasting, so I ate lunch and I ate about 45% of my lunch. I have switched to calorie. I'm giving it a good go. It's made, I'm pretty sure, by the same developer that does the Waterminder app. So what I have here is my activity tracking is always there, front and center. And then I also have this one right here is all about my feeding and fasting. So I have the Zero fasting app as one widget. And then when I start eating, I just swap right over to the calorie tracking and I just keep going back and forth. This one, I have a few others, but it's mainly water tracking, making sure I'm getting that 128 ounces, 1 gallon of water each day. And I do have my Streaks app. This is the app that I use to count my streaks and keep up. So I've already taken my vitamins today, so I can go ahead and mark that off. Once I complete my food, I'll mark that one, and so on and so on. So there you have it. Those are the three apps that I'm using to stay on track. And if you noticed, I'm currently on a 12-day streak of no sweets. So I'm hoping to keep that up and go as long as I can. Last time I did this, I went 2 years. So we'll see. I don't know if I'll make it that long, but maybe I'll make it longer. I hope so. That'd be awesome. But I've had a great time doing this process. I hope you guys have too. I did create that Telegram group. Remember, links down below. Some more stats from me. Full honesty here. I've not done the best the last couple of days with eating, especially yesterday. I went way over my calories than what I wanted to. But that's life. Sometimes it happens. So I'm not stopping. I did do a 2-day, 48-hour fast this week, which I am not a doctor. I'm not pushing fasting on anybody. I use the fasting apps and all that kind of stuff. But if you have any medical issues, definitely contact your doctor first. But I did a 2-day fast and I dropped a lot of weight during that fast. But then, of course, fasting like multiple days is never a good way to try to lose weight. I mean, it does fall off, but as soon as you start eating, it comes back. Maybe not all of it. Usually, if you're doing it right, not all of it will come back, but a good portion of it will. So I am down, I believe, a total of like 8.3 pounds since I've started this. I lost 4 pounds this week through the process of the fast, plus just watching my calories, working out, doing all that kind of stuff. So that's my progress so far. If you want to share your progress, leave a comment down below or join that Telegram group. And I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.